people outside of the outside sa marriage are already using it. So I think a lot of people today are using contraceptives for the purpose of enjoyment. If naman gani family planning, that's where contraceptives should come in. But then as we see, even teenagers are using it now. And in our culture, in our Filipino culture, this certain group of people shouldn't be doing those. So, ang people use it for immoral matters.
So that to avoid pregnancy, to avoid, di ba, financial crisis, for the ballooning population karon, or another way for safety reasons.
Gamit yun kay ganahan na gyud na sila mag-spacing tungod sa ilang kahimtang. Ang ilang economical status ba lisod na gyud. Dinagyan na sila makakuan silang anak.
And people are out of the will of God when they do not like to obey God, follow the principles of God being taught in the scriptures. That's why they have their own way of knowing things and doing things. That is why, as they have been exposed to this problem in a family, so they resort to using contraceptives. This is the only way they can think of a very possible solution to solve exploding the family. Like for example, having 5 children, 6 children, and you cannot support them. You cannot send them to school. That is exactly the problem. So, because of that problem, they resort to the use of contraceptive.